Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be filming a super simple makeup look that you can wear every day. So back to school makeup video. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so for primers, I'm gonna take my NYX Honey Do Me Up primer and the Cover FX blurring primer. Take the NYX primer and put it on the outside of my face because I have pretty dry skin around there. I'm just gonna take my Real Technique sponge and I'm just gonna tap it into the skin. I'm gonna put the Cover FX primer around here and here on my T-zone. I have pretty big pores right here and I don't really like for them to be shown, you know. And for this one, I'll just go ahead and use my hands. I don't like to go right into the foundation. As soon as I put my primer, I let it sit for a while. So for foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation in the shade 220. And this is actually like my favorite foundation ever. It's really good. So I recommend you guys go out and buy it. This light is making me look really red, but I'm actually not that red. It's just the light. I usually start off with a little bit, and then if I want more, I just go ahead and add more. But I mean, I think this is it can be really natural, but you can also build it up, which is what I really love about this foundation. So it gave me a good amount of coverage, but you can still see some stuff peeking through right there. So, but I'm gonna focus it right here. The only thing I don't like about that foundation is the pump, but I mean, the foundation itself is really good. And since I'm not gonna be doing eyeshadow, I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation onto my eyes as well. And I also do this with the concealer, which I will be adding later. Go ahead and take the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand, and this is really good, but for two reasons I'm gonna mix in my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. One, it's a little bit too light, and two, it's a little bit too drying. So this one's a little bit dark for me to use as concealer, and it's really creamy. I think it's a really good combination if I mix these two together. So I take my Fit Me concealer first and I just apply it, and then I go in with the Shape Tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the same combination to my forehead. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And I usually switch off between this one or the Airspun Loose Powder. And add a little bit to my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and take this fluffy eyeshadow brush, which has no product. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe everything off. This is just for me to set my brows. So I'm just wiping all the powder off. Set my brows. Set my eyes, sorry. And I kind of wiped some of the powder off, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more. Okay, so next I'm gonna take the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, which is bomb and smells freaking great. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Morphe M530 brush. So for blush, I'm gonna take this Note Makeup blush in the shade Desert Rose, which I got from BoxyCharm. And I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild. Yes. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild angled brush to apply it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this huge fan brush, which I don't use for highlight. I use just to, like, if it looks really harsh here, I just go ahead and blend it out. And just blend the blush and the bronzer together. Okay, so to remove all the powder from my face, I'm going to be taking the Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. And it's a highlighter brush, but I like to use it just to remove my powder. So usually after I'm done with all of this, my face looks pretty powdery, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray it with a Mario Badescu facial spray. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply this Morphe highlighter in the shade Extra. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it with a Morphe M501. Okay, so next I'm going to apply my lipstick, and when I would do this for school, I would usually just change it up. I wouldn't always wear the same lipstick, or I wouldn't always actually wear lipstick. Sometimes I would just go like this is my finished look, and I would go to school. So for today, I'm taking the Live Glam. We're in collaboration with Let's Do Makeup in the shade Tequila. And this is really good. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye. Cumber. I thought while I let it sit. Take two. And collaborate. Wearing the Live Glam